You're watching NBC4, working for you. Live from the area's leading news station, this is News 4 at 5.
The D.C. Water and Sewer Authority truck when he critically injured 2 children. Today, he was sentenced. I'm Tony Dorsey. I'll have the details coming up.
Thomas Davis, the D.C. Water and Sewer Authority truck driver convicted of critically injuring 2 children in a March 2003 accident, was sentenced today. In a surprise move, the children's mother asked the court to be lenient. But as Tony Dorsey reports, Davis is headed to prison.
The double stroller was sent airborne that March day in 2003 with Delicia Savala's 2 boys, ages 2 and 9 months, in it. A hit-and-run driver plowed into the family of 3 as they crossed the intersection. The boys are still being treated for severe brain trauma. Yet their mother went to court today to ask the judge not to give the driver any time in prison.
Ms. Zavala was, I think, looking for leniency. That's part of her strong religious belief.
Davis told the judge today that he's having difficulty sleeping at night and that he's seen a psychiatrist. He tried to convince the judge that what happened on that day was a diabetic episode. But the judge didn't buy it. He says that Davis may feel sorry for what happened to those children, but he is yet to take responsibility for his actions. Judge Thomas Motley says diabetes cannot explain why Davis didn't stop. Davis, who was on duty and driving a D.C. Water and Sewer Authority truck at the time, was seen looking back after the collision. Another driver followed Davis and testified he drove without any sign of illness, going 3 times around Sherman Circle before coming to a stop, only after it was clear he was being followed.
The judge and I think the U.S. Attorney felt that Mr. Davis needed to be kept away from the public, and the public needs to be protected by, by the likes of Mr. Davis. So that's why the judge did give him time.
A total of 3.5 years in prison and 6 years of supervised probation after his release. Tony Dorsey, News 4, Washington.